question. People say I support trans genders and gay and bi. I do. Stop judging people from their book of the cover. Stop the bully shit. It has to stop. Now. But I'm a happy person. Very happy. I learned how to control my anger. I'm in peace with myself. I'm in inner peace. But these naysayers that hate me, fuck you, asshole. I'll fucking bash your fucking balls right in.